Why did you turn off the music? How dare you turn off the music?
It's barely 24 hours. My father, your brother was laid to rest. And you are here. You have the mind to be playing music and be drinking.
Turn the music back on. I said turn the music back on.
This is not fair, Uncle. Sir, this is not fair, for crying out loud. We're still mourning our father. This is not the right time for this. No.
The next time any of you turn off this music, I will cut off your hands. Leave my sight. I said leave my sight. Little devils.
Maria. Why did Daddy have to leave us like that? It's okay. Wait. Why did Daddy leave us like that? Daddy promised us after the mother died that he's not going to leave us. Mother has left us. Why?
Shut up your mouth, you're making noise in this house. You're making noise. You have 5 minutes to get your things out of this room.
What? I don't get this. This is our room.
Not anymore. Where are your phones?
What?
Shut up.
What are you doing?
You don't need these anymore. Get your things and get out. Your father spoiled you.
No, our father bought that phone for us.
And I said you don't need it anymore. This room No more sleeping here. You sleep in the guest room.
Uncle, no, this is not fair. This is not fair. Please. Please.
I am not going to repeat myself again. I am not going to repeat myself. If I come back here after 5 minutes and you're still here, I will lock everything that is in this room and you don't have access to it again.
What? What kind of life is this? What kind of life is this? No. What kind of life is this? I'm tired. I can't do this again. I'm tired. How could he chase us out of our own room? How does he expect us to stay here? I can't stay here. Why is life turning upside down for us? Why? What did we do? What did we do to deserve this? This is so unfair. This is so unfair. This is unfair. It's fine. It's fine. Let's just arrange our clothes. It's okay.
All of this is mine. See your life? You see your life? See where you ended up with all your wickedness. What's that?
Good morning, Uncle. You sent for me.
That was 10 minutes ago. And where's your sister? As short as she is, she's always late.
She's coming. Uncle.
Come on, my friend, come on, stand up from that chair. Stand up. No respect at all. Did you not see your sister standing? You that your height is close to the chair, you want to sit down.
Uncle.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
What do you want to see? Aria, calm down.
No, don't leave this one. That's be like ninja. So, I called you two here for a very important message. Your father, my late brother, is no more. I am now your guardian. So things in this house are going to change. First of all, we're going to start with the time that you wake up in this house. No more waking up at 7, 8, 6, no. You wake up at 4 a.m.
What?
Yes.
4?
Yes.
That's too early, sir. You would have told us not to sleep at all.
You don't need sleep. Do you need sleep? You don't need sleep. Secondly, you're going to be doing all the house chores in this house. No more lazing about.
But we have a housekeeper in this house. Yes.
I knew you're going to respond. Look at your mouth. As small as you are. Talking like a sandwich.
Okay, my dad doesn't let us do anything in this house.
Do I look like a father to you? Do I look like your father to you?
You cannot be like my father.
Shut up. That's why I'm your guardian. That's why I'm here to teach you. I know your father spoilt you. But I am not here to spoil you.
Aren't you spoiled? Aria. What?
You. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted by this ninja, this short midget, this brief prayer point, I want you to know that you're going to learn the lessons of life. No more spoiling in this house. I want you to start cleaning this whole house, but you start with my room, the master bedroom, the master suite. You. I want you to start with the ceiling. That's your punishment.
How am I supposed to get to the ceiling?
That's your business. Find a chair, table, ladder, or anything. Clean every cobweb in that room. If I see any cobweb, I will hang you on that ceiling. Come on, get out of my sight. Look at them.
Expecting me to clean. Like you are clean.
You see your life? You see your life? You see your life? See your life? That's the move like snail. You have to clean. Okay, but her mouth is but her body is as the mouth is moving fast, the body is improper fraction. Give me cold water to drink. The short one. The ninja.
What's that this picture doing on the floor? Let's just start. The way this place is scattered. Maybe he intentionally did this. I don't know if it's human being that's living here. I don't think it's human being that's living here. I'm sure he intentionally did it. Just to wicked us. We need to show that it's not actually this. Please help me. Thank you. How could he just leave us like that? I miss him so much. So much. You know what? Let's just finish up before Uncle comes here. I don't want his problem. Okay. Stop crying, please.
It's fine.
I don't want his problem.
Me too.
I think we're done here, right? Yeah, we're done.
Who put that nonsense over there? I am talking to human beings. I said, who put that stupid nonsense portrait over there?
Is my father. Your brother's picture you're calling nonsense.
I see you're the one that put it there.
No, I put it there. But I thought it was in
Shut up. The next time I see that portrait on this console, we're going to have serious problems. Do you understand?
Look, Uncle. This is my father's house. You can't just walk in here, own this place, and start flinging pictures up and down.
Who is this?
You don't have that right.
Sir, please. Who are you talking to?
Sir, please.
Huh?
Please.
Can you listen to me?
No, Uncle, please don't.
The next time, don't you dare in your miserable life raise that rusty voice at me again. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now clear out this room.
It's okay. It's okay. It's cool.
Hey, come back here. Come back here. I said come back here.
Ouch!
Where are you going?
Hey, we're done with this room. We've done everything.
Says who?
We're done.
Shut up. Clean it again.
Sir, but we've already done that.
And I said clean the freaking room again. I'll be back in 1 hour.
This is not my zoo. Why would you? What kind of uncle is this?
It's fine. Are you hot?
I'm hot. Physical and emotional, I'm hot.
It's okay.
Deep down in me.
It's okay, please. We'll clean the room one more time. It's okay.
Why do we have this kind of family member?
It's okay. Stop lamenting.
Yeah. This is your food.
Gary. Uncle, we have not eaten today now. You want us to start our day with Gary? Uncle, look, this is not fair. This is not nice.
Let me ask you. Is this not food? Is this not food? Will it not fill you?
Uncle. Uncle.
Shut up your mouth. Just shut up. If you don't want the Gary, you tell me and I'll take it back to the kitchen.
Oh no, Uncle. Uncle, why are you doing this to us? Tell me, why? Why are you doing this to us? You've not even allowed my father's body to decay. You have started unleashing your wickedness on us. Leave me alone.
So you're not hungry?
Uncle, this is not fair now. I'll bring something else.
If I hear one more word from the two of you, I will pour this Gary on your face. Are you
Leave me alone.
To you too. Damn shit, man.
You'll start showing me your true color. This is the uncle I used to know. Gee,
I'm very hungry.
me too, I'm hungry. That's why I'm speaking out of hunger. Must you always speak? I have to talk to make the hunger go down a little bit. Because if I don't talk, it will just pile up. What do they thinking? This is my type of thinking. Talking is my type of thinking. Come out! Hi! Hunger! Why is this man like this now?
Aria, stop.
We're showing us white color before. You were showing us white color, now you have shown us red. This is your true color, red. How are you? Hey. Want to withdraw. Give her now. Yeah.
How much?
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh God.
Can't wait to. Your pin. Okay. Decline.
What happened? Let me try my own.
Service.
Let me try my own.
Just try your own.
Take care.
How much?
Still same thing.
Okay. Your pin.
Okay. This one.
Still the same thing. Declined.
Declined again.
What's happening? Are you sure there's service in your
there's service
machine?
Yes. I don't understand this. Thank you, Auntie.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Declined.
Declined.
So let's go and try this other
Yes,
thing.
let's go.
Because you have testimony. Yes.
See why I love you. You're the only...
Uncle!
Are these the unfortunate kids you were telling me about?
Yes. The two rascals with their eyes shining like torchlight. What is it?
Uncle, we tried to withdraw money using our ATM card, but it's not working. So we came to ask you if you know the reason why it's not working.
I deactivated it.
What?
Yes.
And why will you do that without our permission?
Because that money in that account is mine.
As at how?
Because I am your guardian.
How? As at when? When did that one start?
Who do you think you're talking to? With your sharp mouth. Huh? That money belongs to me.
That account was opened by our father for us.
Yes.
The money inside it belongs to us.
Yes.
Not anymore.
Eh?
Not anymore. Look, I'm very busy, okay? Do you have any more questions?
You are wicked. Yes, that is the question. You are very wicked and you are heartless. Like, why are you treating us this way?
Well, I can see you don't have any more questions, so just excuse me. I need some privacy with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful damsel. Am I not talking to human beings?
Sir, okay, since you've deactivated the account, can you borrow us money? We actually thought we could withdraw money so that we can buy something to eat. We are hungry. You laughing?
That explains it. That is why you refuse to drink the garri I gave you. Huh? Well, I'm sorry to bust your bubble. Like I said, that money in that account belongs to me. And since you refuse to drink that garri, you will starve until tomorrow.
What?
Yes.
Sir.
Now get out of my sight. I'm busy.
Sir.
Get out!
Please. Please.
Honey, sis, they don't want to.
I'm begging you.
I'm busy. Let me talk to my baby. Beg me for what? Go and beg your father in the grave. Let's go upstairs and do what we love to do.
Sure, baby.
Let's go, baby. Nicompops. To fight with themselves, please.
The bag, baby, please.
No, don't worry, I got you. I got you. If I slap you,
Don't touch my hair.
come on, get out there. What are you doing? To flack up to you. Look how small you are. You're doing this one to my chiquito. Ask your father why you never go to upstairs.
Why is your hair so bushy? Can't you cut your hair? Bushman.
It's okay. It's okay.
This man is so wicked.
As much as he has done that, we'll stop insulting him like that.
He's very wicked. He's very heartless. How could you do? Why is he doing all these things to us? I can't watch him continue to be treating us like this. I have to do something. I will do something.
We have only one choice.
I know. I'll do
We need
something.
to drink that garri.
Hi.
Yes. With salt.
Why Jesus? Can you imagine? Look at the shameless stuff. Did you hear the one he threw at you? Why you this short?
Sometimes when people talk to you, you close your mouth.
Me close my mouth.
Okay.
I will keep on defending myself. I will keep on defending myself.
You have a problem.
I will keep on defending myself. Imagine. Look at the woman he brought to this house. Eh? Let's go. My shameless. Please pass me the sword.
But I'm just scared. What if Uncle Johnny comes? What if he comes down?
Why are you scared?
What if Uncle Johnny comes down?
Then he comes down. Let him come down.
Look, aren't you scared?
Why would I be scared in my father's house?
Well, this is not our father's house anymore, obviously. Did you hear what the lawyer said? Uncle Johnny is now responsible for us until we're 18. That's 2 years from now. Obviously, Uncle Johnny owns everything our father had when he was alive. Now, it won't be good being in his bad book at all.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if our parents are no more. It doesn't matter if Uncle Johnny is the legal guardian or whatever. What matters is that this is our father's house. And we can't let anyone treat us the way they like.
But wait.
No buts. No buts. Don't let anyone treat you the way they like in your own father's house. Look, if you keep acting like we're scared of Uncle Johnny, he's going to take advantage of it. He will turn us into slaves. But if we show him that we are not scared of him, that we are brave and strong, he will treat us better. That's how it is. Let's not act scared. This is our father's house, remember?
Okay.
We have to teach him a lesson.
Okay.
Pass me the sword.
Let's eat. This food smells so nice.
I hope it tastes good as it smells.
I think this one. Bring you closer now. You won't eat it alone. Let's pray first.
It's true.
Father, bless and sanctify this food that we eat in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. Amen.
If you put that food in your mouth, you go deaf. Take it out from your mouth. Come on, take it out from your mouth. What are you two trying to do? Huh?
We made food. We want to eat.
You want to eat? With whose permission?
Hey, I don't understand. Am I supposed to take permission from you before I cook in my father's house? And besides, my father bought this food stuff by himself.
By himself?
Yes.
He did, right?
Yes.
So after I told the two of you that you're starving until tomorrow, you went into my kitchen to cook because you can find your way, Abi? Huh? You're not eating this food.
You're joking.
Aria, give me that food.
Uncle Johnny.
What is going on here?
Give me that food.
Please, Uncle, please.
Aria!
Please.
Madam Chiquito. Or what did they even call you today? Nobody invited you here. Stay out of this. You understand?
What did you just say to my baby?
Oh, okay, it's baby.
Baby, it's okay. It's fine. Aria, right? God. So your uncle is asking you to hand over the plate of food to him, and you're being a disrespectful child.
Uncle.
Nice.
Uncle.
No, please, the food. Hey!
What?
Yeah. What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
Do you want to beat me? Do you want to fight me?
Let me see you try it.
Rubbish. And let me Let me teach you what your lazy father failed to teach you. You do not speak when elders are talking. You shut up and listen.
Preach.
Especially the person taking care of your orphan self.
Thank you.
Baby,
Yes, my love.
where's the key to the kitchen?
It's upstairs.
I have an idea.
What is it?
How about we lock the kitchen and keep the key?
Brilliant idea.
Always.
Let's go, baby.
Hi.
Let me see this one. This one said they can still eat.
Hey, Nora, it's home training that is holding me. Nora, it's home training. Nora, it's home
If it's not home training, what will you do? If it is not home training, what will you do? Look at your mouth like zip.
Hey, Nora. Hey! God. Hey! I could have hit that woman. I could have done something to her that she will never forget in a hurry.
To what end, Aria? I mean, if you had done all those things, it will not solve our problem. It won't.
At least she will not try what she did again. She will not do it. She will not try it again. How can there be food in our father's house and will not be able to eat? How can these people be treating us like this? How long can we endure? How long? For how long? What do we ever do to deserve this? Uncle Johnny was a very nice person to us. He was a very nice person to us when our father was alive. Whenever he comes to the house, Daddy will give him lots of money, shower him with a lot of gifts. But now that Dad is no more, suddenly he changed. From the good Uncle Johnny we know to the bad one now. Everything have turned upside down. Like, what do we do? What do we do to him to deserve this? This is pure hatred. Pure hatred. Imagine. Someone that we call our own uncle. Why is he treating us like this? Why? Why?
Good morning, Ma.
You can't greet.
Good morning, Your Royal Highness.
Where are you two going?
Isn't it obvious?
We're going to school.
School?
Yes, Ma.
Well, not so fast. I have a couple of errands I want both of you to run.
Well, whatever you want us to do can wait till you come back from school.
Can't wait.
Okay, Ma. Please. We can do it immediately we come back. We're already late for school and...
You're not going anywhere. You have to finish everything in this house before stepping out of that door.
Madam, we are going to school and there is nothing you can do about it. Like, I mean, who are you? Who are you to come to my father's house and teach us orders?
Yeah, stop.
Don't tell me to stop.
Wait.
Don't you know your place?
Am I the one you're talking to?
I don't understand. Are we 5 or 6 in this house? I'm talking to you, of course.
Wow. Well, newsflash. You are not stepping out of that door until you're done with whatever it is I want you to do for me.
You see? Nora, let's go.
But she said...
No, ignore her. Don't you want to go to school?
I want to go to school. But I think to avoid trouble, let's just do everything she wants us to do. Maybe whatever she wants us to do won't be plenty. We'll go to school.
I am not in the mood for all these your plenty talks. If you know you don't want to go to school, go inside, drop your bag and sit down. But as for me, I'm going to school and there's nothing she can do about it.
If you take a step from this place, if you walk out of that door, you better not freaky think you can come back to this house.
Nora, I'm going to school. If you don't want to follow me, it's fine. You can stay. But as for me, I'm already at the school already. Watch me step out of this place. Nonsense. I want to beat you. As what?
So she actually left.
Ma, please, she's sorry. You know what, just tell me everything you want us to do. I'll do the errand meant for me and for her too. Please, what are the things you want us to do? Let me start.
She left.
Please don't be angry with it. Tell me the things you want. Miss Busy.
Nora! I'm back. Please come and open this door for me. Nora! Hey, I don't have strength. I'm hungry. Nora! Why do you even lock the door, safe? Nora, please come and open the door for me. I'm back. Hey! Where are you going?
My sister is knocking.
So?
I want to open the door for her. She just came back from school.
Open what door for who? That girl is not coming into this house.
Oh, Auntie, please. I know you're very angry with her, but I've done everything you want me to do, including hers.
Nora, I just made it clear to you that that girl is not coming inside this house, and that's on period. If I see you close to that door, be rest assured that you're joining her.
Ma, please, just this one time. I promise you next time she won't disobey you, please.
And what are you still standing here? My friend, move! Are you deaf?
Nora! I'll break this door!
Why are you giving me one for one? Oh God.
Let me give you a bigger side of the popcorn. Run the bigger side. Wait. Stop. Look.
How will I stop? When you're giving me...
Wait, do you want me to feed you or not?
Sir. Please. I beg you in the name of God. Please. My sister has been out there for hours. Please. Please, just let her in. Auntie Bisi, I promise you, once she comes into this house, she will obey you. She will never disobey you. She will do everything that you tell her to do. I promise, please.
Okay, babe. As I was saying, that man was crazy. You didn't see what he was doing.
Just leave that man.
Ah, God. If you see the way he sat there, doing nothing.
Help me and beg.
Touch me. If you touch me.
Do you want me to feed you?
Feed me now.
Take. No, wait. Come on,
Auntie, please.
Come on now. That's
Auntie,
not fair.
I'm begging you, please.
Let's go upstairs.
Just this one time, please.
Do you want to juice?
Please.
Do you want to juice?
Yes, let's go with this.
Please.
Help me with this.
Uncle, please, Uncle.
Babe, I promise you that man is a clown. No. I will serve your energy, baby. Let's go. Let me give you the food just about what happened.
Please open the door.
You spoilt brat. Now listen to me. The very next time you disrespect me will not be the only day you sleep outside.
Aria, sorry, I'm so sorry for letting you sleep outside. Let's go inside. Let me help you up. Up you go. Aria, please wake up. Let's go inside. I'm like, Aria, what is wrong? Talk to me. Aria. I'm here. Sorry. It's okay. So how are you feeling now, Ari? Aria. Ari, talk to me. Why didn't you open the door for me? Aria, you should understand. The door was locked and they ordered me not to go close to that door.
You could have looked for a way.
How?
I don't know how. But if tables were turned, I would have looked for a way to open the door for you.
Aria, I'm not you. And I think you should remember that I'm not you. I'm not as stubborn as you are. Aria, look, you need to drop this stubbornness. It's costing us a lot. Yes, your stubbornness made you sleep out there last night. These people, they are older than us. They are stronger than us. They can do anything to us, and guess what? There is nothing we can do. So please, just obey them and do whatever they say. Okay?
I can't just sit back and watch them treat us like slaves. This is not right at all. They don't have the right to treat us like this.
It's okay, I know, but...
They don't have the right to maltreat us like this.
It's okay.
Why?
It's okay, I believe.
Why?
It's okay, please.
Why is life so unfair? Why?
It's okay. Please, it's okay. Just rest so that you can feel better. Rest, okay? Sorry. Sorry.
You're so pained right now.
Sorry. Sorry. All you need to do is rest. Rest. Just sleep. Just close your eyes and sleep. Stop crying, okay?
My body.
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just stop crying. Stop.
These are my clothes. I want them washed now. What? Did you just throw my clothes on the floor?
2 eggs plus 2...
Are you not the person I'm talking to? Are you deaf?
I dare you, touch me. Touch me one more time and I will tell you that you are nothing but a stranger in my father's house. Please. You're a stranger. Yes. And you remain a stranger. I can't go above more than that. A stranger. Stop. Stranger. Amma, please. We're sorry. She's sorry. So sorry, Ma. Please. We'll wash the clothes. Sorry, she's sorry.
Listen, I want you to wash all these clothes in 10 minutes.
Of course. 10 minutes is too much.
The both of us will go outside now and wash these clothes, please.
Speak for yourself. Speak. No, come now. Hurry up. Please don't start. Don't even start. Who will start? I should come and wash her clothes. As what? Maid.
Yeah, come, let's wash it.
In your dreams. Come and wash clothes. When I'm doing my assignment, I want to focus, study. I want to study, I want to read and have a better future. Then the devil just come in. All of a sudden. Want to spoil my future for me. Nonsense. Let's go. Go where? Give me my book. Nora, just give me my... Oh, I don't have this power for your drama. Oh. Give me my book, Nora.
Great book.
Oh?
I like this.
Ooh. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry. I'll buy it for you.
Really?
I can afford it now.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Let me show you another one.
Yeah.
Uncle.
Oh, God. I'm tired of hearing uncle, uncle, uncle. Every time, uncle, uncle. And this, what is it?
It's just that our father didn't pay our school fees before he died. And now our school is demanding for it. They said they will chase us out if we don't pay. So please, can you pay our school fees?
There's no money.
What do you mean there's no money? What are you insinuating? I mean, it's just 250,000 naira we're talking about here. What's the big deal? And besides, my father's company makes more than 250,000 naira in a day. Yes.
Do you know all of this because you're the accountant of the company, Abi? Huh?
Uncle, please. If you don't give us this money, we're not going to be in school. They will chase us out of school and...
I said there is no money. When the money comes, we will pay. But right now, the money has not come. So there's no payment.
Who are you? Like, who are you right now? Because I don't know you anymore. You know, back then, when my father was alive, you were so nice to us. You were buying us so many nice gifts, showering us with so many different pet names.
Arya, please.
Don't start. Don't allow me to talk. Don't even try. Don't allow me at all. Let me talk to this man. Let me tell him what is going on in his life right now. Uncle, who are you? Who are you? Why are you pretending? Why are you pretending? When my father was alive, you were so nice to us. You were doing us so many nice things. I don't know that you were waiting for the perfect time that my father would die so that you will start showing us your true color. So this is how wicked you are.
Get out. Get out of my sight.
Arya, let's go, please. Let's just go. Let's go.
You're here drinking my father's wine with my father's money.
Look at her. Like bouncer. Idiot.
Look at him. Drinking my father's wine. Imagine. He knows that there's no money.
Seriously,
What did this wicked?
I'm tired.
She actually looks like a baby bouncer.
Can you imagine this girl? You're waiting for my father today, so you say 2 colors.
Oh my God. But that girl sure do have guts.
Alex, show me what you were showing me. Let's leave those rascals.
Why? How could he refuse to pay our school fees? And do you know the most painful part of this? It's our father's money we're talking about here.
Yes.
Our father's money.
Instead, you will be using the money to buy designers, wigs for that woman, that stranger. I won't let this happen to us. I will not let this humiliate us like this.
So what are you going to do?
I don't know. I'm thinking. That's why I'm talking. I'm thinking.
See, the best thing to do is just look for a job or something. Just find a way to make money so that we can save up for the school fees. Maybe we'll skip this term. And by the time we are done working, we'll save plenty money for like the next 3 terms. That's...
Skip them? Even at that, what job could we possibly do to raise our school fees?
I don't know. Let's just look for something. Let's start somewhere. And it's obvious this uncle, he's not ready to help us in any way. Nothing we say or do can change that. In fact, fighting him will even make it worse. Yes.
Hey.
So we just need to go out there, hustle like all other orphans do. Let's just hustle. By the time we go out twice or thrice, we'll find a job, find something to do, and we'll save up. That's what we'll do. That's the only thing.
No, this is not nice. So this is what we have been reduced to. Why? Our own uncle. It's not like he's even a stranger to us. Our uncle. Treating us like this. Why?
Aria, let's go inside. Let's go and strategize. Let's plan. Maybe by tomorrow we'll go out and walk, or next any day. Let's just go. Let's go. Are you still talking?
I'm hot. Inside of me, I'm hot. I still can't believe that my own uncle is treating me like this.
Oh, baby, this is nice.
I'm glad you like it.
This is beautiful, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is nice. How do you know I needed one of these?
Baby, I know you love bags, okay?
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you.
And why are you rushing this thing?
Wait, I'm hungry. You don't understand when I'm saying I'm hungry. Yeah. Don't waste that water. You drink my hand. You let me drink. Hey, wait till slow. Wait. Why? Hunger. We'll sell more. We'll sell more. Thank you. Hey.
Thank you, Lord. Today is a wonderful day. At least we did not go back empty-handed.
Yeah, so even though it's not much, but
manageable. Oh, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Can you imagine these people locked us outside?
Are you serious?
I don't understand. They didn't see us all through the day. They don't even care about our whereabouts. They locked the door.
We sold pure water all day. The money we made is not even up to the pocket money that gives us every day to school. And then we squander the money within few minutes. It's funny how life changes so fast. 1 minute, we are comfortable, living comfortable, getting everything we want. And then the other minute, life turns upside down. I guess that's life. If someone had told me that I would hawk pure water today, I will look into the person's eyes, insult the person, and lay curse on that person. I guess that's life. You never can tell what the next day holds. Why are you laughing? Nora. Nora.
I'm just so tired. You know, earlier I thought obeying these people would solve our problem. I thought going on errands for them, obeying them, making them feel like they're the boss will solve the problem. But obviously I was wrong. Today, I'm sitting down outside. Not even sure where I'll sleep tonight. When my father single-handedly built a mansion and gave us a comfortable room in it. How long are we going to keep taking this? Like, how long? They said 2 years. But are we sure we're going to survive till that 2 years? No, Arya. Arya, I'm done. I'm done taking in whatever these people have to bring. I'm done making them feel like they're the boss or making them feel they're higher than us. I'm done. You see those people inside there? I will mess them up. I will mess them up so badly. They won't even see it coming. That lady, I will do everything possible to chase her out of this house. And finally, I will deal mercilessly with Uncle. You have seen it now. All we have to do is lie down and sleep. At least thank God for life. Hey! Life.
on.
Auntie, don't worry. Anything you want, just tell me. I'll get it for you.
Since when did you become responsible?
I realized that my sister and I have been so rude to you. And that's why I want to make it up to you.
Well, I don't care about you and your sister.
I know you don't want to hear what I want to say, but please, forgive us. I and my sister have been very terrible to you. Please.
Aria, get out of my way.
Mom.
Get out of my way. I'm not going to repeat myself again. For the very last time, get out of my way!
Anton. Guess what? I couldn't get the phone.
It's a lie.
Don't play that prank on me again. Don't play that prank on me again. Wait, let's make the call. Yes. I got the number too. Let's speak. Okay. Let's speak.
Hey, baby. Excuse me? Babe, why would you ask me that kind of question? I mean, you promised love to me. Babe, stop this. Baby.
Reduce your voice. Sorry. Come downstairs.
I forgot.
You are the best.
Baby.
Chiquito. Babe, come on.
Jenny, you lied to my face.
I did not lie to you. Why would I do that?
Tommy, was I blind? Did I see the name on your phone? I saw the number on your phone.
Baby, I swear on my life, I do not know that lady. Okay, I don't.
Do you know what they say about men and money? Money actually brings out the real nature of a man.
Oh, please, can you stop that? Just stop it. What kind of talk is that now? Huh?
I'm not doing this with you today, please.
What do you mean by that? Huh? You're going to sleep here?
Yes.
Come on, stand up, let's go upstairs and go sleep. What do you mean you're going to sleep?
Leave me alone!
Oh. I can't. You don't have strength to. You're kissing your cheek.
Jenny, stop! Oh, stop! I'm not joking, stop!
This is only one hand, though. This is one hand. And I lock you down like COVID-19. Come on, stand up, let's go.
My sister, I am shocked. You need to see the way he was denying the whole thing. Oh my God, this nigga red-handed, though, he still was denying it. Honestly, I am shocked. Yeah, Yes, so Johnny of all people. Honestly, if anyone had told me that Johnny...
Auntie?
What is it?
On my way home, I met a very...
Girl, let me give you a call back, okay? Just give me a couple of minutes, I'll call you back. Aria, what did you say your problem is again?
I said, on my way home, I met this beautiful lady. Hell, very fine lady. If you see this woman, God-given. She asked me to give Uncle Johnny this. I don't know. She just said I should give Uncle Johnny this.
What are you still doing standing here?
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Babe, I forgive you for last night. I'm hoping to see you tonight. I have so many plans and so many things to do to you. I miss you.
Aria! Aria!
What did you say gave you this nonsense again?
Okay, I said a very beautiful lady.
Alright, where is she? That's the one I'm asking. Where is she?
She's outside. Just walk straight outside the gate. You see her. Anything the problem? Shh. Very fine. Finer than you. Pretty lady. Did you see the fine lady?
I didn't see anybody. Where did you say she was?
Just front. Maybe she was wrong. That woman is fine.
You know what? Just get out. I said get out!
Oh, you need to see this woman. She's very...
Get out.
Very fine. Finer than you.
My chiquito, the finest. Today was a stressful day. Yeah, meetings here and there. I'm so tired. How are you?
Johnny?
Yes?
What did you take me for?
I don't understand.
Have this.
What is this? Baby, today is not Valentine's Day now. What is this for?
Jenny, are you seriously asking me that question?
Baby, come on, talk to me.
Johnny, a lady brought this to the house for you.
What lady?
Really?
Baby, look, I don't know any lady that would bring this to this house, okay?
Where are you coming from?
I already told you, I'm coming from the office.
The office? You come back late? Same day a lady brought this for you and you said, Johnny, what did you really think before?
Baby, I promise you that I am actually coming from the office. I did not... Baby, I know what all of this looks like, but I will never cheat on you. Ever. What is it? What?
Wow.
What is
Just wow.
baby. Are you crazy?
I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there. I'm sorry.
How would you see me? When you're obviously blind. And where are you going?
I just want to check something at the backyard.
Okay, come on, get out of my face.
Sorry, Uncle.
Sorry for yourself.
Yes.
But how did you know that Uncle will come back by this time?
I overheard his call with his PA. She told him that they're going to have numerous meetings and it's going to end by this time. That's how I knew.
Oh.
So I set the trap very well. I was very strategic with what I was doing.
I see.
Yeah.
That makes sense now. Okay.
See, we're going to be the end of this their relationship. And guess what? They won't even see us coming. By the time we're done with Uncle Johnny precisely, he won't even have the eyes to see another woman to bring into this house.
Yes.
Well,
God.
yeah.
At least they will have quarrel.
Not just
fight again.
of course. Can't wait for that to happen. For all of them to just leave this house.
Just
go.
Let this house be peaceful and calm. Trouble everywhere.
Everywhere. Every time.
No peace of mind. Imagine.
Do this, don't do this, don't do that. My father never did this to us.
Never.
Hey, excuse me. It's you.
I'm sorry, do I know you?
Well, I know you. So you're the idiot who has been wasting her time with my boyfriend, Abby?
Your boyfriend. Oh, I see. It was you. You're the one who sent those gifts to the house.
Oh, you saw the bag. That was meant for my baby. You know, I'm not supposed to be doing this, but as a girl's girl that I am, that's why I came to you. Johnny is just wasting your time. Yes. Matter of fact, he already paid my bride price. Yes. I don't know. For some reasons, he said he can't break up with you. For now. I mean, I don't know why. But I would advise you, stay away from him and move on with your life. Stop following a man about. Jesus Christ.
Baby, hold on. Baby, wait. Baby.
Let go.
Hold on. Baby, wait. Please now, please. Can we just talk about this?
There is nothing to talk about.
Why?
So it's been her all this while.
What are you talking about? Huh?
Jody, each time I bring the topic of going to see my parents, you always give me excuses.
Baby, you know why. You know why. I did not have money.
That's not true.
That's true.
That is not true. It is because you already paid her bride price.
What? Come on, man. Baby, wait. Chiquito. Oh, no, don't do this now. Can we just sit down and talk about this as mature people? For the sake of the love we share together. Please.
Jenny, please, let's not do this. I'm done with this.
You can't be done.
I am.
How are you done? What about me? Huh? How are you done? What is this?
Jenny, please.
You're not going anywhere. You're staying here.
You've wasted enough of my time, please.
I've wasted... What about my time? You only think about yourself. What about me?
Jenny, I'm not doing this with you.
Baby. Chiquito, wait. Chiquito, wait now. Hey.
You're awake. Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning, Uncle Johnny.
Let's go.
What is this? Hey, come back here. What is this? Why are you people dressed like this? Huh?
We're going to school.
Which school? I thought you were sacked because of school fees.
Miracle. Very big miracle.
No, they
happened
tired
yesterday.
is also.
As in,
What miracle?
yesterday. Last night now. We were on our own.
Like, we were just about to sleep, safe.
Yes. And you came. Then you called us and asked us for our school account number.
Hi.
We were very surprised. And then you transferred our school fees to them.
In full.
What?
That's exactly. See?
Our reaction.
Yes. We were like, what?
What?
Our uncle.
I knew that was not possible.
And why will I pay for your school fees?
We're only the same thing.
Exactly.
Guess it's the handwork of God.
Yes, a miracle, like you said. Thank you so much, Uncle. God will
Shut
bless you.
up.
Back.
Shut up.
Well, we're just praying for you now.
I don't need your prayers. You people are not going to that school.
Uncle, we're done with everything we are doing now. We are done with every single thing, so there's nothing that can stop us now
You
from
will
going
go
to
to
that
school. Tell your school that transfer was a mistake. They will have to send their money back to me.
You see, I would have loved to do that because this is what I expected from my uncle. But the problem is, right from time since when our father mistakenly sent them money, they had to give us textbook. We didn't need the textbook, they just had to give us the textbook.
Like that.
They don't refund.
So my money is going to go to waste.
It's not waste
It's
now.
not waste.
Harry and I going to school is not a waste.
It's a waste.
You're not going.
Sir, as it stands now, there's nothing that can stop us from going to school.
I said you are not going.
Not even you, sir. Because we have done everything. If you tell us to go and do this now, we
Go
have
back
done
and remove those
everything.
uniforms.
Nora,
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Hey.
See you this evening.
Go and remove. Hey, go back and remove the uniform.
Bye. Hey, and you are still there. Come, let's go.
Go and remove. Hey, Nora. Shit. How did I pay their fees? They use voodoo on me. What did they put in my drink? There's nothing here. These girls. It tricks me. Oh, what have I done? My Chiquito. My Chiquito was here. She would have done something about it. My Chiquito. Oh.
Uncle, we are hungry.
So what do you want me to do? Huh? What do you want me to do?
Food.
Food?
Yes.
Am I food?
See food in front of
Come on,
you.
shut out. Come on, get out. There's no food.
But it's not food you're eating now.
Hey, I said there's no food. Why you put disturbing me? This early afternoon, let me eat my food in peace. What is it?
We are hungry.
Come on, come,
We're not
stop.
eating.
What?
See, let's join you and eat. Let's take.
If I was you, If I was you. Remember the first time you sucked breast? All sense. Join who and eat. Am I your age mate? Please, let me eat in peace. I was about to pray.
Hey!
Let's follow you and pray.
I will slap you. Are you a prayer warrior?
Bible said.
I will kill you, dear.
Let's him pray. We'll follow him and eat food. He knows.
You're still here?
Yes, of course.
Come on, get out of my face!
So you know.
Get out!
So you have that mind, you want to eat that chicken? Only you want to eat that chicken?
No, you will eat it.
Hey!
Goat. Can you imagine? Telling me I will eat that chicken. No, I will drink it. Fish. Why did you disturb my peace? Let me just enjoy this food. Oh, who is calling me now? Who is calling my phone? Can't the person see that I want to eat? So I can't eat in peace in this house again. From those two rats, now it's my phone. I didn't even bring anything to cover this thing. I didn't even bring something to cover this food. Can you call somebody? You not say anything. Hey! I have this. These children will not kill me. Nora! Aria! Where's my food?
Food everything.
See, look. If the two of you don't provide my food right now, I will deal with you. Where is my food?
Uncle, but we came to you and asked you for food. You said there was no food. You told us to leave and we left. We didn't take any food. We've been here thinking about how we will bring food now, where we will bring food from.
So you're telling me my food grew legs and walked off the dining table or it disappeared? Is that what you're saying?
I don't know what your food did. But you must wait. Is it that food that you were eating on the dining table?
No. The one I was eating on the ceiling.
Wait now. You must have eaten that food. Yes, you don't know.
If I slap you.
Jesus.
Why am I even wasting my time, Seth?
You may not carry any food though. As you told us to go out, we went out. If you want to start the room now.
Talking to nonsense people.
Start the room. If you want to even go to the toilet, anywhere you want to go. We didn't take the food. Look at here, thinking of what to eat. You want to? Yes. Why would we take our uncle's food? For what? Prison. We are not trained like that. We have home training. Check.
Where's my food?
Keep checking now. Have you finished checking? I know with your food. Okay, he now wants to check on top of the bed. Hey, Jesus! Hey! Uncle? Have you gone to this extent? I'm not with your
Aria, Nora, where's my food?
I'm not with your food. I don't know where your food is now. How can somebody tell us that
No problem.
you don't have food? Imagine. And now you want to come and
you're
tell
looking
us
for food that you don't have.
We collected your food. Did you see the way Jackie? Jesus. She almost opened the door. I was scared. Hey. I thought he was going to fling me through the window. Hey. That is big shit on this big shit. It's not that again. Hey. Jesus. Careful. Oh, yeah. See how we're going to do it since we don't have any spoon. See, if I eat fresh food, I'll give you. What? Why are you holding my hand? This girl is teaching me, oh. So this is what one hand you should take. Oh yeah. That's what I told you to be doing. Perfect. You'll be using fork. This food is very sweet, oh. Very sweet. Hey!
Nora! Aria! My food!
We did not know where the food is. We did not see your food. Now look for your food in the kitchen. See, let me tell you. The child that says his mother will not sleep will not also sleep. I mean, why would he sleep? Exactly. This food is so nice. It's nice. Please, let's enjoy. This is what you wanted to enjoy alone. Can you imagine? I can't even remember the last time I ate something as good as this. But are you sure he's going to buy our story? Sef, I don't care. I don't care about that. All that matters right now is that we're eating this food. And he did not catch up. What? What? Hey, Aria. The phone. What happened to the phone? What if he goes back to the place he hid the phone and starts looking for it? Because of the corner, you will suspect something. Hey. So you need to quickly go and return that phone. Okay. Be eating, I'm coming. Okay. Just be eating, yeah? Let me wait for you. Be eating. Be fast. I'm coming. I don't want to finish this food. Phone. This chicken is sweet, oh. I love the dry part of it.
How can a plate of food just disappear like that? Huh? But I searched their room. And I searched very well. These kids. First, I was about to eat. My phone rang. Went upstairs. Came down and the food was gone. Is that not a coincidence? No. I seized their phone, so they... Unless... This movie is so interesting. Wow. Hey, what's shaking like that? Hey. Nora! Did I just see a ghost? Oh, it's my imagination. Johnny, it's all in your head. It's all in your head. Who's that? Who's there? Can you stop? Hey!
Uncle,
Uh-huh.
you sent for me.
Yes, come. You see that spirit you were telling me about?
Yes.
I saw it.
You did?
Yes, it visited me yesterday.
Oh my God.
I have never been so scared in my entire life. See, we need to do something to get that spirit out of this house.
Okay, I have an idea.
Yeah.
I heard of a woman. She's a prophetess. They say she chases evil spirits. She even does deliverance for people who are possessed, all those kind of things.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey, we need to bring this woman to this house.
Of course.
Hey, but do you know where she lives?
Of course, I know where her church is, and she's always in her church.
What are we waiting for? Let's go there. Take me there.
No, we can't go now.
Why?
The woman is so spiritual that she always does prayers every day. Some days she will do it from morning till the next morning. Some days just from morning to afternoon. I think today is just 3 hours.
Yeah.
Yes. But immediately I check the time and she's done with the prayers. We'll take you there today.
Okay, I'll be waiting here. When it's time, just come on.
No, just in less than 1 hour or 2 hours. In less than 1 hour, we'll go there.
I'm here now. I'm waiting.
Yes.
Hi. The spirit, should have seen the spirit.
Gee, it was too bad.
Pardon, what?
White.
White.
Just like that one I saw that day. I told you about that spirit.
Was it
I
moving
saw
like a
that-
kangaroo? Was like, oh. I don't know if it's a kangaroo spirit.
It's not a kangaroo spirit. But it was white, right?
White.
That's the one I saw. I told you that day that I saw something. But I just didn't want to talk about it. That spirit, he likes food. That's why I collected your food that day. Because even that night when I was eating, I ate 2 spoons. It felt like I've already eaten 10 spoons. So, after I ate the 2 spoons, 10 spoons went out. I'm like, what? What happened? He likes food.
Nora, if this spirit like food, we have to be locked in this kitchen.
No.
Why?
No.
It will finish
The prophetess will come today and chase the spirit away. It's as easy as that now.
But first, let's lock it now.
Nothing will happen to the food in the kitchen.
You can go now.
Whenever you see the spirit, just scream.
Okay, when you
Yeah,
see it
I'll
to
come.
scream,
I'll
so that I will
scream.
also come.
I'll
No, me, I can't come home. If you see it, I'll just be here. Wait.
You're not a good uncle.
Who will see ghost then go to where ghost is? Me, I die here. Let the prophetess come and pray in this house so that we can let this be.
Power jump power, power jump power, power. Sing. Power jump power, power jump power. Sing. Power jump power, power jump
I can see it.
Yes.
I can see it.
You can see what?
I can see it.
Yes.
Shut up! Don't interrupt the daughter of Zion. Shut up your mouth.
I'm sorry, daughter of Zion.
I can see them. They are everywhere in this house.
Yes.
I can see spirits in this house.
Spirits.
Spirits.
Not what?
Don't interrupt me. I am still talking. The daughter of Zion is speaking to you and you are interrupting. I'm communicating with the gods. Hey! Evil spirits. Hey. They are everywhere, hovering around this house.
Lot of
Evil spirits.
I buy now.
So it's not just one.
Not just one, no.
Hey.
Everywhere in this house, every corner in this house.
Hey.
Hey!
Hey.
Oh my God.
Oh.
The power is too much.
Hey.
The power is excess.
Power overload.
Shie kanda.
Yes.
Yes, so. Hey, I can see them. Evil spirits in this house. And they are headed by your late brother's spirits. Hey.
My late brother?
Yes. He said you are not taking care of his children.
Hey.
Hey. Holy Michael. Judge Jehovah Emmanuel. You are not taking care of his children. So he wants you to leave this house.
Leave?
Yes.
Dr. Zion, sorry to interrupt her, but please.
Hey.
Look, I can't leave this house. I can't leave this house.
That means you want to die? Your
Die.
brother said if you don't leave this house, you will die.
No.
He will kill you.
No. There must be something we can do because I can't die.
Oh my
I can't
God.
die. I cannot die.
You will not die.
Amen. I receive it.
Power jump power, power jump power, power jump power. Sing! Power jump power, power jump power, power jump power, power jump power, power jump power. Power jump power, power jump power. Let me speak to my God.
Yes.
Speak to me. Speak to me.
Yes.
Hi, I can hear you.
Yes.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Spirits.
Yes. I have spoken to them.
Yes, Lord.
And the heavens said that if you don't want to die, you want us to cast away the spirit of your late brother.
Yes.
Please, yes.
Very good. So we need to discipline you.
Hey.
Is it?
We need to discipline you and discipline that spirit. The spirit of your late brother, the one following you around.
What do you mean discipline?
Discipline.
I don't understand.
That is you position your nyash and you be disciplined. Hey.
Yes, Lord. Speak, oh Lord.
You know, I knew we were going to embark on this type of journey. So I came prepared. Go to that front door.
Yes, ma.
Get me one cane there.
Yes, ma.
Run!
Yes, ma.
Don't delay the spirit.
Yes, ma.
Cane. What's
Yes,
wrong?
Discipline. Nice. Very good. Hold it. There is no more cane here. So, remove your belt. It needs to be 2.
Ma, how did you know that he's wearing belts, ma?
Hey!
Right down, mama. Remove it.
Don't delay the spirit. Give it to her.
Take your own.
Very nice.
Okay.
Very good.
Yes, Lord.
Very good.
Yes.
Oh yeah, my brother.
Support
Lie
me,
down.
Lord. Support
Lie down.
Yes. Let me do this with you, Lord.
Don't delay the spirits. He's lying down, my brother. Lie down.
I'm lying down.
So now, I will represent the spirits, and you little ones will represent the heaven.
Heaven.
So direct me. As I pray, you beat.
I can't do this without you, Lord.
As I pray, you beat.
Yes.
You see, this one is already in spirit.
Yes.
You to be in spirit. Be in spirit. Be in spirit. Oh yeah. Power jump power.
Power jump power. Power jump power.
Service my
Power jump power.
Power jump power.
Don't delay the spirit. Do you want to die?
No, I don't want to die.
You don't want to die. Lie down. I'm position your yash.
I don't want to die.
Mama, oh yes, my sister.
Now that this place has been
the head.
It's on
the head.
It's on the head. It's on the head. The spirit is on the head. I see flogging on the head. Yes, Lord, give me the strength. Ready? Give me the strength. Yes.
Spirit go. Spirit go. Light go.
Yes. Woo. Are you ready? Are you ready? Position.
No, let's go.
Lie down. Wait. Will you leave the house? Will you leave the house?
Yeah,
Will you leave the house?
I will go.
Will you leave the house?
Yes.
Will you leave the house? Will you leave the house?
I'll leave.
Spirit is leaving.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Hey.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
You never disappoint.
Ma, thank you so much for coming to our aid.
Come on, you two are like my sisters. And I'm always willing to help whenever you call me.
Thank you, Auntie Silvia.
You're welcome. Anyway, I have to go now. So let me know how everything goes, okay?
I will. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
I just hope Uncle Johnny falls for this trick.
Me too. We just have to hope. Let's go before he starts looking for us. Let's go.
I was waiting for you to tell me what to do. Is that to shout what?
Fire.
Fire!
Oh, I'll verse. Shout fire!
Fire! Yeah.
Fire!
Fire!
Speak in tongues. If you know Sabi, follow me anyhow.
Taivo. Tambulel.
What is this now? Father, I tell what they do my small tiffin. Now you can't catch me. Say, man, I can't be pastor. Jawa has come. Father! Oh, God. Why? I shout fire, you know, shout.
Okay, I didn't know. I was waiting for you.
You won't come stress.
What do you make a shout?
Come, I shout father. You won't come stress me.
No, sir.
If I shout, you follow me shout.
Okay, sir.
This thing where the thief would come here. No be missing now.
I know.
I don't know now. Maybe now with you too. Okay. At the first.
Okay.
See as Nigeria day now. Food no day. Now spirit where you supposed to do small thing. They kill people. They suck blood. Cause see food they chop. You whenever I chop.
Sorry, sir.
You know even say at the first. So no play with me.
I'm sorry, sir.
If I shout, follow me shout.
Okay. What do you make a shout?
If I shout, follow me shout.
I will shout, sir.
Anything when I talk, you follow me talk.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready, sir.
Are you ready? Open your mouth now.
I am ready, sir.
Let's talk like saying you no get faith. Father! Brother! How the war has come? Oh God. I don't rate you.
I'm ready, sir.
I will go.
Okay, I should pray with you too.
Pray with me now.
Okay,
Don't worry, let me announce.
No. Okay.
Keep quiet now.
Sorry.
Now me be director. You want direct me?
No, sir.
You want direct the spirit?
I want me to direct the spirit to leave this house.
Shut up.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Just like, give your life to Christ. Start speaking in tongues. Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Come, I dey first. Because you guys, who be these ones? Who be this one?
Oh, they are my nieces.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I dey first.
Why?
Why I dey first? You say, how spirit now go dey chop food where people suppose dey chop?
I don't know. I don't know, Pastor.
So you people need to open your mouth. Let's pray.
Okay.
Let's pray. As Nigeria dem, me I no dey happy.
Okay, let's go.
Food where human beings suppose chop, pastors suppose chop. Spirits come dey chop am.
I'm so surprised.
No problem. We go pray today.
Okay, sir.
Fire! See,
Sir,
I get power.
I trust you.
So I get story what I tell you. I be the thief. Under the bridge, the pickpocket. Now God come arrest me. So I get power.
I trust you.
I go chase all the demons.
Please help me.
If they work, I go collect that food. Instead of them to chop, I go chop. I give you.
Okay, no, I don't want.
You don't want to chop.
No.
But the man of God give you.
No, you are the man of God. You can eat with the spirit, but I'm just human.
No problem.
So what do I have to do, Pastor? Anything you want me to do, I'll do it.
You need to sow a seed though.
So only that?
Yes, so.
How much? Fire! Do I have to shout fire?
Shut up. No,
Sorry.
sir. I thought to Jesus. Someone.
I'm sorry.
Are you anointed?
No, sir.
$1 million naira. Now you go so.
Only $1 million naira.
If you do and 3 now.
No, you just said $1 million. You spoke to God. God said 1 million. So I'll just.
What if you change mind though?
He has not changed his mind. What's the account number, sir?
Wait.
Oh, yeah,
Wait now.
okay, sorry. Sorry, no vex.
Put this one.
Okay.
No put the church on. Wait, mom. Church now, they feel no day rent now. Can't receive a lot. So I go receive a
I should put.
Oh God.
Okay, sorry. What's the
Oh,
the name? I can't.
I go.
No, Pastor, please. Okay. Nebuchadnezzar. Okay, I've sent it.
Send them.
1 million. I've sent it.
I never receive a lot.
It's the network. I've sent it now.
You dey do for one now.
Yes.
You enter. Oh, your mama.
Thank you.
You will see something today. Tell you say I get power. I be the team.
Yeah, when you change.
I go rescue me.
Yeah.
Thank God for your
I go
life.
chase them now.
Thank God for your life.
Spirit, the thief food. You know, see what you go do. Kill human being. You thief food for Nigeria. The condition there like this. Come on. We'll die here. The spirit will follow us die here.
Let's go, sir.
Father! Speak in tongue.
Shut up. Spray. What's your problem?
Come. What is this one? I'll chase the spirit, put inside them.
Holy Ghost fire, I cast and bind. Back to sender.
Let's go. Prayer don't start. You're not going to distract me.
Let's go.
Any spirit. Fire. Back to sender. Back bottom. If you don't know where you go.
Hey.
Enter inside these children.
Oh, the Holy Ghost.
Use them.
See,
Fire.
I will
Destroy them.
Fire.
Destroy these children.
Fire.
Sender.
I don't get strength.
We are not evil
I don't
spirits
time.
now.
Come on, go give me food.
Is it?
Go give me food now.
You want to eat first?
Give me food. I don't time. Man, I chop food. Who will start? Who will start? Come give me food now.
I guess I'll need to plan dinner.
Oh yeah, come in. Yes.
Wow.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Oh, it's so beautiful, babe. The girls, who are they?
Oh, the one in green is my housemaid, and this one in red, I don't know what she does in this house. Because of her height, I don't want to really, give her too much to do.
Really?
Yes. They're here to make you feel comfortable.
Oh.
If you need anything, you want to ask any questions, you go to them, okay?
Oh, sure.
They will make you feel like a queen and like the beautiful angel that you are.
Baby. So they don't greet?
Hey, come on, greet this person.
Good afternoon, Mom.
This one, she's dumb, right?
This one's case is different.
Oh.
Her brain is upside down, so it touches on and off. But don't worry, come, let me show you to the rest of the house, okay?
It's
This way.
fine. Okay, babes. Wow, I love your place.
Thank you, baby. This way. Oh my gosh.
What? Imagine.
Again?
Hey!
Oh God, Ariana.
Hey, show this man and they didn't swear for him. It's like he as in maybe he ate course or I don't know. They have swear for him with woman.
It's village people.
Okay. Why would village people not follow him? Why would village people not follow him? It seems like he has shaved somebody's wife before and they swear for him from the village.
I'm just tired.
You won't stay one place. One day the woman will do you something one day. I don't know anything. Nonsense. Here is the water you asked for.
When did I ask for water?
But you just asked for...
Are you crazy? I asked for a cup of juice, not water. Go and get me juice, now! I mean now.
Cup of juice.
Yes, you heard me.
Cup of juice.
Why are you even repeating my words?
Cup of juice. Cup of juice.
Okay.
Cup of juice. Cup of juice. Here is the juice you asked for.
What is wrong with you? Are you dumb? Is something wrong with your head? I asked for a cup of smoothie, not juice.
Oh, you just asked for juice now.
Are you silly?
How am I supposed to make smoothie within this short period of time?
You're questioning my orders. My friend, go and get me a cup of smoothie. I don't want to repeat myself.
Auntie, if you know you don't want to drink this juice, return it back to the kitchen by yourself.
Okay, I get it. I know you're tired, don't worry. You're dumb. You're stupid. You lack manners. That is one thing about you. It's like you've forgotten your place in this house. You're nothing but a common housemaid. You only have one job. And that job is what? Do as I say.
If you have home training, you will not be here by now.
You are the one who lack home training. Like, who raised you? Who is that stupid mother that raised you? Who? You dare not walk out of me and still talking to you. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you stupid? I'm asking you.
What is going on here?
Hey. She slapped me.
Eh?
She slapped me.
Shut up your mouth.
You're lying on my head.
Wait, hold on. Let me just handle this little rascal. You laid your filthy hands on my baby?
I didn't do anything.
Shut up your mouth.
Hey.
Aria, kneel down.
Auntie Delilah, why are you lying?
Shut up and kneel down.
I didn't do anything. You slapped me.
I said kneel down.
I can't kneel down. No. When she was the one that slapped me. What are you trying to do?
No, with this. Don't worry.
You want something harder?
Aria, I said kneel down.
I can't kneel down. Uncle, I'm going to disappoint you on this one. I can't kneel down.
Kneel down. Hey, come back here.
Wait.
Come back here.
Hey.
Come back here.
Uncle.
Come back here.
It's me, oh.
I say you should come back here.
Your favorite cousin.
You are mad.
It's me. Flog her.
Kneel down. Kneel down.
Jesus.
Where are you going? I said you should kneel down.
Wait, Ari, what's wrong? Oh my God. What happened to you? Why are you crying? Who did this to you?
That woman did this to me.
Oh my God. That lady did this to you? How dare that woman touch you? You know what? It's fine. It's okay. Please, stop crying. It's okay.
Ouch.
Excuse me, Uncle.
What is it?
Sorry, I was wondering, are you looking for anything?
What is that supposed to mean?
Sorry, it's just that. Last night, I saw Auntie Mimi going through your briefcase. Yes, she was doing it sneakily. I didn't want to disturb her. That's why I came to you this morning to ask you whether you're looking for something. Maybe she must have taken it. Don't get me wrong. Or if you're not looking for anything, maybe I saw wrong. I don't know. I don't know. I'll leave you now. Just think about it.
My check. It's not here.
Babe?
Yeah.
You're still here?
I'm actually looking for something.
What is it? What are you looking for?
A check. I'm to cash it out today.
Wow, that's weird.
Have you seen it?
Not at all. No, I've not. You sure you know where you kept it?
Yes, I'm 100% sure.
What about the girls? Have you asked them? Maybe they took it.
No. Those girls can be anything but not thieves. I have been with them for a while and they have not stolen anything from me.
Are you sure? Maybe they've been doing it without you knowing. That's why you've not caught them. Haven't you asked yourself that?
You know what? I will check their room.
Sure, you should. You should. Babe, why are you looking at me like that? Of course, check the room. Babe? That's weird. Babe, what are you doing with my bag?
So it's you.
How did those things get into my bag?
I should be asking you that. Even my shirt, my pen. Are you serious? Are you stealing from me?
No, I'm not a thief. I didn't steal them.
Then how did all of this get into your bag?
Maybe those children planted.
Stop. Just hold it right there. Stop blaming those children. Do you know how long I've been living with them and nothing has been missing in this house? Huh? You just got here for how long? And you're already taking all of this? What if you stay here for a week? You're gonna take everything in this house to your place.
Baby, you need to believe me. I didn't put those things in my bag. I didn't even know how we get there.
I need you to leave.
Baby, Dean. Babe.
I don't want to come back to this house to meet you. Do you understand?
Babe, I didn't. Babe. I didn't steal them. Of course you didn't. So it was you both? Of course. But wait. You didn't think we'll let you get away with what you did to my sister, did you? You must be joking. Yeah. I knew it was the both of you. Mm-hmm. But you know what? What? I'm going to tell him. Mm-hmm. Guess what? Even if you tell him, he's never going to believe you because you don't have proof. Secondly, you're not even going to meet him because, like we heard, he asked you to leave this house before he gets back from work. Oh. Now, you have 10 seconds to leave this house. Yes. Mm-hmm. Tick, tock. Because you want us to do it the hard way? Push you? Your time is ticking. You know what? What? Take this I'm about to say to the bank. You both are yet to see the end. This bank must have really suffered to hear this kind of voice. How did you even get my bag? Yeah. Just pack up and leave this house. Shoot. 10 seconds. It starts immediately I start waiting for you at the door. If I wait for you, no need to say much. You
Please,
know what's
let's go
going to
before she
happen.
steal our talk.
Who knows what else she must have stolen?
Kleptomania.
Kleptomaniac, baby.
Who opened the gate here for these 2 cockroaches? How can they get to my bag? How did they even get to my bag? Cockroaches! Have you noticed something?
What?
Have you noticed how peaceful it is? Whenever there's no new lady in this house.
I know, right? I mean, having a new lady in this house always complicates things even more.
As in, How about this?
What?
Until we get Uncle Johnny out of this house, we'll make sure that he doesn't bring any lady. And even if he does, we'll frustrate her out of this house.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
Wow. Well then, cheers to that. I just can't wait to get Uncle Johnny out of this house. Yeah. Can't wait.
Just want to be alone.
No, I don't want to be alone. But I don't just want to be with him.
Yeah.
Don't you want to have me around?
Why won't I?
I can't be alone when you are here. No, never. I want to be with my sister. Oh God.
My baby. Because you're fine. Just fine. Don't worry, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. I got you.
Are these the 2 servants you told me about?
Yes, baby, that's them.
Why are they just staring?
Honey, listen to me. Just ignore them.
Okay.
And focus on the positive, okay? My sugar. Why are you just standing there? Can't you see I have a visitor?
Good afternoon, visitor.
Alright, let's go, please.
Good afternoon, visitor.
You must greet 2 times. You must greet 2 times. Dwarf. Can you imagine this girl? Why is she greeting 2 times? Sorry. Baby, this is work. Let me take this one, yeah? Hello? Bro, you out there? No more.
Fine, auntie.
What do you guys think you are doing? Get out of here, Joe.
Sorry.
See,
you're a very nice person. Very nice, we can see it. That's why we came to warn you quickly.
Yes. My uncle, Uncle John, our uncle, is HIV positive. Use your voice. Yes. That's what he is. Yes. He goes around sleeping with different women, infecting them.
Johnny can be HIV positive.
Oh, stay here and be speaking English. Because they're writing it in the forehead, So answer this question. Why would a full-grown, handsome, rich man, muscular, be single? At this age? Why would he be single? That's what I'm telling you. A lady gave him HIV months ago. So yes, on a revenge mission, he swore that any lady he meets must get infected. Are you one of them? There are over 3 or 4 ladies he's brought to this house. And right now, you are his next prey.
Yes.
Forbid.
Yes. Of course. Listen, we just want you now do whatever you want to do. But beware of HIV.
Words of advice and wisdom.
Beware of HIV. Let's go.
Advice and wisdom.
Let's go. Not our business again. We want the cat to be
HIV. HIV.
Baby, I am so sorry for keeping you waiting. Baby. Where is she? Why is she calling me? Baby, where are you now? I just
You're
come out.
not a serious person. If you ever dial my number again or you make me set my eyes
Baby,
on you
listen, let
again,
me hold. Hello?
you will know who I am.
Hello? What happened? True, don't spoil now. I called the two of you here to pass a very important message. So on this beautiful day, I'm expecting a guest. Not just any guest, but a very, very important one. What did I say?
Very, very important one.
Throughout the time she's going to be here, I don't want to see any of you anywhere near this living room. Shut up. Shut it. Your mouth cannot just shut. You're always ready to talk. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, uncle.
She's here. Alipati. I mean, go.
What is Alipati? Every time you're on the freaking wall like Alipati.
Come.
What's Alipati?
Witch. Hi. Oh, wow.
Hello.
Hey. Come. You look so good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You have a nice space here.
Oh, thank you so much. Please, sit and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Ooh. You look hot. I'm feeling hot.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
You stay all by yourself?
Yes, my dear. I'm just hoping to get a companion to share this beautiful space with me.
Sure, I get.
You know what?
What?
I got a special wine just for you.
Oh, really?
Yes, baby.
Okay.
So just sit, relax.
Sure.
Let me go upstairs, grab it, so we can set the pace to
That's fine.
tango.
Sure.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm here.
I'm right there. Stay.
I'm here. I'm going nowhere.
Bang! Johnny!
Jesus Christ!
What's going on? Johnny!
Mr. Johnny is a ritualist.
What?
He killed me and used me for ritual.
He killed me too and used me.
He's evil.
Jesus!
Ritualist.
Run for your dear life!
Babe? I thought I told this girl not to move. Baby! 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 Babe? What happened? Baby! Baby! What's going on here now? Eh? I've come to get the special wine. Now she's nowhere to be found. Huh. I thought you were going to play today. Yes, I'm leaving the office now. Okay, sir, sorry, I'll see you, sir. Thank you very much. I'm going out. So I'll call you back.
Good.
Busy?
Johnny?
I'm so sorry. How are you?
You two are still together.
What? Prophetess.
Prophetess? Really?
Yes, this is the prophetess that came to cast the spirits from the house.
That's the same lady that met me the other time, and she told me that both of you are dating.
What? This lady? I have never dated this lady in my life. The only time I saw her was when Nora brought her to the house to cast those spirits. Wait. Nora knows this lady, which means those kids played us.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. God help me, because I am going to kill those kids today.
There's a problem. Your uncle has found out about everything.
What? How? How did that happen?
There's been an accident. Your uncle is hurt badly.
What?
Yes. He's been rushed to the hospital. I came to get some of his stuff.
How? Where? How? Where? When? What's happening?
Chiquito, why do you have your luggage with you?
Just a minute. Yeah. Johnny, I really would love to do this with you. I would really love to stay with you through this, but I'm sorry I can't.
What do you mean you can't? What are you saying?
Johnny, there is no guarantee that you might walk again. There is no guarantee that it might ever function again, Johnny.
Yeah. I will walk again. It's going to work. Please.
Johnny, please.
You can't just leave me. You can't.
Johnny, please. I need you to let me go.
No.
Johnny, I'm too young for this.
Chiquito.
I am too young. I can't do this, Johnny, please.
Don't do this. Chiquito, please.
Johnny, in my next life, I would want to do this with you, but not with this condition, please. I beg you, you need to let me go. Please.
In your next life, just leave me. Chiquito. Chiquito, please. Chiquito, wait.
Johnny, please.
Chiquito.
Johnny, please.
Chiquito. Chiquito, please. Don't go, please. Chiquito. Oh.
Child. What a life. Chiquito, why? Times 2. Hey. Chiquito, why? Again, times 2. Imagine. Can you imagine? Hey, one person broke your heart 2 times. Hell. Heart break everywhere. Only you. One person over 5 women. Hell. Only you. No Chiquito. I'm even heartbroken. Hey, over 5 Chiquitos has left him now. Hell! Child. Only you. No Chiquito, no leg. Now you will not see any Chiquito again. Hell! Is it wheelchair you'll be wheeling on the road to go and see Chiquito? You're a finished man. Finished man. Don't you not finish it? Huh? Small now. After that one.
Nora.
This food is so nice. This is the best noodles ever. Come here.
I'm starving. Please, can I get some food to eat?
This is the best.
Nora.
Ari, Are you hearing anything? I don't know. I'm hearing something. Are you hearing anything?
I'm hearing something, but I don't think it's a human being that said that thing.
I know what happened. It's a chihuahua. It's a barking dog. It sounds like a crippled barking dog.
Yes.
Laura, please. I'm really hungry. I want to eat.
So you're hungry?
Yes.
Okay. We know you're hungry. But you have to work. Yes, you have to work for food.
Yeah.
You know, like they say, no food for a lazy man. True. Word, my sister, word. So, you have to work. You will clean this whole house from up to down, including our room. And when you're done cleaning, you can now come and we'll think about giving you food.
Don't forget to clean the ceiling.
The ceiling is
very important.
How do you expect me to clean in my condition?
And how is that my business? Is that my problem? Just find a way to figure it out. Find a way to go about it. It's none of my business. I'm not concerned. And the faster you clean, the better for you, because if we finish this one and it seems like we're not satisfied, we'll go and dish another one and dish another one until we finish everything in this house, and it'll be too late for you to eat. You know what, my sister? Cheers. Wow,
so nice. Life is sweet. Hey, enjoyment everywhere.
Hard work, please.
Hard work. Work hard. Hustle. My sister, hustle. Hustle is very important. No hustle, no food.
You calm down. I eat this food. Small. If I take one, you take one. Food.
Nora.
Yes?
What is this? Nora, after all the hard work and cleaning, I need something better. This will not do anything. I need real food.
We ate all the food. This is the only thing remaining. You don't want it? If you don't want to eat it, I'll take it. These things are expensive.
I want it.
You're saying it like you have a choice. Do you? No. No, you don't.
Can I?
Oh no. You know what? I changed my mind. I want juice.
You just said I should get you water.
I said juice now. I changed my mind. Yeah. Are you saying we don't know what we asked for? You know, we're watching a movie and we obviously need something like that would serve as popcorn, since you obviously can't make popcorn.
You just said I should get you water.
I said juice now. I changed my mind. Yeah.
What are you still doing there?
Look, guys. I know I treated you badly after your father's death. And that was because I was so angry at your father. It's true. Anytime I come here, he gives me money, but it was peanuts. I begged your father to help me start up a business since I couldn't find a job, but he would always tell me there's no money. After he died and I realized the kind of money he had, I was heartbroken. I was angry. I was furious. How could my own blood brother have such money and refuse to help me? He sat there and watched me struggle. That was why I took all my anger on you guys. I'm sorry. Please, I shouldn't have done that. I want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Boring story.
Are you done now? Give me juice.
Too fast. Don't get us upset. As you drink those gallons of oil in the kitchen.
I feel so sleepy right now. Maybe his story. Oh God.
Just look at him.
Please, my sister, let's focus on this. This movie is interesting. Just pray you don't meet us here when the movie is already finished. I'll make sure you drink every single drop of water in this house. Nonsense.
See those gallons of palm oil in the kitchen.
You will
I'll
drink
force you to drink
everything.
it.
You won't touch my juice, oh. Don't think I'll give you my juice.
Why is he here? Shouldn't you be sleeping? It's late already.
Why are you just here? Wait, he's crying. Uncle.
I can't sleep. I've been thinking. Since this thing happened to me, nobody calls me. Nobody cares about me. It's just the two of you. I should have treated you two better. I'm so sorry for everything I put you through. I should have realized that besides you two, I do not have any other family. I swear I'm truly sorry, and I want the two of you to forgive me. Please. I don't have anyone. It's just you two. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Uncle. We forgive you.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Uncle.
Thank you.
It's okay, Uncle.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
It's okay. We forgive you.
Stop crying.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Please.
Hey, stop.
It's okay.
Stop crying.
Please. It's okay.
Girls, we are going to be late.
We're coming, Uncle.
Please hurry up. If we stay here for the next 2 minutes, you're...
Oh!
Finally.
Uncle.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
No.
Did you use my perfume?
Yes, we did. We just still.
You want to smell like me?
Yeah, you know you smell fresh all the time.
Next time you ask.
Wait, Uncle.
What is it?
I took.
You stole money from my bag.
Yes.
Really? That's what's going on, huh?